Hi, my name's Ross Burgess, and I come from Salford, which is just a little tiny fishing village 10 minutes down the road. Right now, absolutely 100% convinced that property is the industry that I want to embark on. I've had a conventional business for the last 38 years. It's given us a good lifestyle, but it doesn't give me fulfillment or financial freedom. I see this as a path to obtain both of those within a reasonable time period. I think every bit that was challenging was a favourite part, because I think Samuel's absolutely right when he said you really do get things done if you step outside of your comfort zone. Totally resonated with me, totally agree with that. It's not comfortable, but there's no success in the comfort zone, is there? Yeah, I do believe the crash course will help immensely. I've also enrolled onto the masterclass, which I'm sure is going to help me immensely. My goals in property before I came on this have gone out of the window completely, because when Samuel got one of his guys on the phone yesterday, told us that he'd only been enrolled in less than 12 months and he's on to his 41st property. I had a goal to reach at least one property by Christmas, so I'm going to reevaluate those goals straight away after today. My big buzzword in business and in life is integrity. I think Samuel has that in abundance. Brutal honesty and integrity came right through from the moment the course started till the moment the course finished. I'm not just saying it, it's definitely without a doubt the best training course I've ever been on, and I've been on quite a lot, without a doubt, very professional, and for the sake of repeating myself, my big buzzword is integrity, and that's what really came across very well. Just get off, jump off the fence, just do it. As we all know, nothing happens unless we take action. And if you really want to change your life, then don't do the same things this year as you did last year, because you'll just get the same results. You've got to just jump off that fence. It's not easy, but you've got to do it. Just get up. As Samuel says, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Just do it. Absolutely freaking awesome. I think it was a great crowd. Obviously, I can't compare it with any other crowd. It's the only one I've been on, but yeah, it was a great crowd of people. Everybody willing to interact in the breaks. I certainly think going forward that it's totally changed my mindset, and at the moment I feel a little bit scared and a little bit excited at the same time, but I think that's perfectly natural. But I would say to anybody who's thinking of coming on it, just come on it and keep an open mind.